Welcome back to 365 Travel View. Today, we're exploring one of the most incredible wildlife encounters in the world, the Siberian Tiger Park, Harbin, China. Imagine coming face to face with majestic Siberian tigers in their element, up close, safe, and unforgettable. We'll take you inside this unique sanctuary to see how these massive cats live, play, and survive, and whether a visit here is really worth your time and money when you're traveling in China. From heart-pounding tiger moments to tips on the best time to go, cost, and what you must see, this video is your complete guide to the Siberian Tiger Park experience. In this video, you will see tiger feeding, playful cubs, and a snowy wild habitat. Visitors interacting with the tiger and other animals. Whether you're a wildlife lover, adventure seeker, or just curious about these king of beasts, this park will surprise you. So hit that like button, make sure you're subscribed, and let's discover the wild side of Harbin together. The Siberian Tiger Park near Harbin offers a rare opportunity to witness these magnificent creatures up close. It's a dedicated conservation center working to protect and increase the population of the world's largest cat. While waiting to enter the park, there's a small souvenir shop here. A warm break from the cold and a chance to pick up tiger-themed keepsakes before the adventure begins. We're waiting for the bus that takes us inside the tiger reserve, and even before seeing a tiger, Harbin's winter makes this an adventure. This is where the adventure begins. Before entering Siberian Tiger Park, visitors wait here to board the special bus, and in Harbin's winter, even waiting becomes part of the experience. While waiting for the bus into Siberian Tiger Park, visitors usually pass by a small indoor souvenir shop, a welcome stop, especially in Harbin's freezing winter. The shop is warm and compact, offering a quick escape from the cold while you browse shelves filled with tiger-themed souvenirs. You'll find plush Siberian tiger toys, keychains, fridge magnets, postcards, hats, and scarves, many featuring bold orange and black tiger designs. There are also local-style souvenirs, including winter accessories, small handicrafts, and Harbin-style keepsakes that reflect the region's icy climate. Some items are playful and colorful, making them popular with families and kids, while others are simple memorabilia, perfect as travel gifts. Prices are generally reasonable for a tourist attraction, and browsing doesn't take long. Just enough time to warm up, look around, and pick up a small reminder of your visit before boarding the bus. The main highlight is viewing the tigers from the bus. The most popular way to see the tigers is on a specially designed bus tour. These buses are equipped with protective cages, allowing visitors to safely enter the tiger enclosures. During the tour, you'll witness the tigers in their natural environment, often interacting with each other and displaying their hunting instincts. Some tours even offer the chance to see the Tiger Park feeding process, a thrilling spectacle. Why it's a unique wildlife experience. Unlike traditional zoos, the Siberian Tiger Park offers a unique and immersive experience. Visitors can observe the tigers in a semi-wild environment, closer to their natural. It's truly a memorable experience as we are inside the bus and tigers are freely roaming outside.
没事，掉了就抓过来。
朵朵，你转过来
还有吗？还有吗？快，
转过来。
还有吗？
还有，我这一大块肉呢，中间。
这，我们生肉，生肉。
上来。
还有，来，还有
生肉。
这，
抖夹子，不要跟他喊，他不会，他听不懂话，他听不懂话。对，你的肉他往外伸一伸。
我录的视频，回家剪去。
这掉了也没事，一会儿割走了都进他肚了。
会割手呢。
对，往外伸肉，不要让他舌头伸进来，那舌头上有倒刺。
啊！
来，还有吗？
看，听见声了。
往后窜一个口，你收回来，往后面那个口窜一下。要不然
来，他在这儿呢。
能夹一下。
快点吧，要不
快点。
没事，逗玩儿，没事。
往外伸肉，你别给它逗下去，
好了，
逗下去就没有吃的了。
对呀，你逗它急眼了，扑你。
一个园子有10几只老虎，现在站台上只有一个。
没事，我再给他喂一块。
韩苏
来，往外伸肉。
没事，
咱们这都是3、400
玩不
斤的。
挺好玩的吧？那个玻璃扑碎了，
没事
扑不了。
左边有没有？
还有我这。
往外伸肉，你不用跟我说，跟我说不好使，你得往外伸肉，他看见他过来。
你们别说话啊！
来，伸肉。
你横着塞呀！
你别说话了，我
那后面还有吗？
有。
这边还有，朵朵，你站到这个老虎这儿，妈给你看。
别
他害怕，这害怕。
哎呀！你吃我吧，要不然。
还有吗？
还有一块，给你喂了。
快！
哎，
伸肉，动夹子，
动了，
夹子抖一抖，抖一抖。快，别让他吓你，别动了。还有吗？没了，回到座位上。非常成功啊，非常哇塞！
Once on board the bus, the experience becomes instantly thrilling. As the vehicle moves slowly through the vast enclosure, Siberian tigers appear everywhere. Resting in the snow, walking confidently across the landscape, or watching silently from a distance. It feels less like a zoo and more like entering their territory. They are outside, and we are inside the cage. Just when you think the ride will continue, the bus comes to a sudden stop. Ahead, a powerful tiger sits high on a rocky outcrop, completely still, its eyes fixed on the bus. From this elevated position, the tiger looks down with calm confidence, clearly aware of what's coming next. Shortly, food is offered from the bus, and the tiger's interest sharpens. With controlled strength and quiet focus, it moves closer, reaching up toward the vehicle to take the food. The proximity is unforgettable. Close enough to see the detail in its fur, its teeth, the size of its paws, using the paw to push the meat piece inside, and the intensity in its gaze. Inside the bus, cameras click, a competition to take photos with tiger in the background so close to face. This is the moment that defines the Siberian Tiger Park experience, raw, powerful, and humbling. A reminder that these animals are not performers, but apex predators allowing you a brief glimpse into their world. We've seen tigers everywhere. Multiple tigers waits above us on a rock, calm, powerful, and completely in control as it reaches up for food. This moment alone makes the visit unforgettable. In one quiet corner of the park, a group of Siberian tigers lies sleeping together, their massive bodies stretched out against the snow. Side by side, they rest peacefully, rising and falling with slow, steady breaths, completely at ease in the freezing cold. The snowy landscape around them creates a striking contrast, soft white ground against deep orange and black stripes, making the scene feel almost unreal. Behind them, modern high-rise buildings rise in the distance, a powerful reminder of how close this wild world exists alongside the city of Harbin. It's a moment of calm amid the excitement, where nature, winter, and urban life meet in a single frame. The tigers seem untouched by the cold, perfectly adapted to their environment, while the city stands quietly in the background, watching from afar. A group of Siberian tigers sleeps peacefully in the snow, with Harbin's skyline behind them. A rare moment where wild nature and modern city life exist side by side. Harbin winter, and what to wear for this wildlife experience. Winter in Harbin is intense and unforgettable. Temperatures regularly fall well below freezing, and in peak winter, it can feel bitterly cold, especially with wind and snow. The air is crisp, your breath turns to mist instantly, and everything, from trees to rivers, is locked in ice. Winter peak temperatures vary from -25 degrees Celsius to -30 degrees Celsius. For a wildlife experience like Siberian Tiger Park, dressing properly is essential. Much of the visit takes place outdoors or inside unheated buses, and even short periods outside can feel extreme if you're not prepared. Thick, insulated jackets, thermal base layers, and windproof outerwear are a must. Warm gloves, a beanie or fur hat, and a scarf or face covering help protect against freezing wind. Insulated winter boots with good grip are especially important, as paths can be icy and snow-covered. With the right clothing, the cold becomes part of the adventure rather than a challenge. Harbin's winter creates a dramatic, natural setting for Siberian tigers, and being properly dressed